Hey guys, just came back from a really epic boys weekend. A chance to connect with some of my oldest friends, and it was wonderful. Just finished a run, dust off a little bit of the wine that we had over the weekend, and I'm feeling pretty great. This next video is for you if you want to continue to learn about how to set a baseline of fitness and strength for your fitness journey. So in this video, I go through what and how to be able to test your strength levels, in particular, your grip strength, how you can go about doing that. And there are passive hangs involved in it. So how long can you actually hang from a bar for a period of time? Very, very cool stuff. And if it's something that you haven't done in the past, there are so many other benefits to this, not just grip strength, to be able to develop your shoulder flexibility and intelligence, and the malleability in your scapula and all the surrounding regions. We also go through a leg strength test, and I go through this with the quadricep extension, so the leg extension machine. So enjoy, have a great time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this channel. Really, really important, so it gets to more people like yourselves. Please enjoy. Hey gang, according to the Andy Galpin strength test, I am looking at the leg extension machine here. It's right here. So what I've done is I've worked a little bit with this, and as you can see, I've put the knob down to the lowest level that it allows. I don't know exactly what that weight is, but it's obviously heavy. I'll double check, maybe I'll call the compound movement people, leg extension curl people, and see exactly what that weight is so I can get a sense. But I'm gonna see how many reps I can get out with the highest weight on this movement or machine. All right, here we go. Okay. So that was the maximum weight that this machine allows, and the strength test mentions that it's to be 5 or under reps. Could probably have done about 8 to 10 reps. Look, I've no doubt that my quad strength capacity is high. It's really about creating balance in other parts of my body. That was a test. So the strength test, I think I'm all good in that sense. So I completed this test about a week ago, but I didn't get it on video, so I'd like to do it again. Hopefully I can get the same time. It'll be interesting to see. I completed a dead hang for 1:45, and the gauge is if you're doing it over 1 minute, you're doing pretty well. So let's see if I can achieve that again. All right. So I'll just start at the 5-second mark. All right. Oh my God, that's 1:45 again. And, don't think I can make 2 minutes. I was trying desperately. Whew, boy, that hurt.